Okay, welcome back to the N4 Learning channel. The last video I did yesterday was for the pump fan latch, where we actually had a latch, and I showed you, I said a countdown, but really it's a count up timer. So what I thought I'd do this time is give you the logic for a countdown timer. Now this is attached at the moment just to a one shot set at 2 minutes. And once you trigger a one shot, so let's trigger that for you now, you don't know really how long you're into that 2 minute countdown. You have no idea. There's nothing. If I go views and slot sheet, we've got the time expired there, frozen hidden. So let's just unflag that so it's not hidden. And then views, AX slot sheet, no, but I want pins, views, pins slot, sorry, put that timer expired in there. It's not telling you anything at all, where this block here is actually telling you how long in seconds it's counting down. I've got 66 seconds left, 1.1 minute from when I fired that. So that's a nice little thing to have, to know how long you've got left on that one shot. But it doesn't have to just be a one shot. You could take this, if I copy that, go back into that check latch, just paste that into the bottom of there, and then do the fire one on delay, that one there when it's active. So we'll do the fire one there, which is false, and then we'll do the seconds for the fail drive time. We'll put that into there, and then with this particular logic in there, if we come back out of there, I haven't got any slots there, so let's just override it. That's enabled. We want to override, fire that. That's a reset. Drive one running, enabled. Yeah, that's already running, so we want to fault that. And I've already just set it to, let me go in there and change these to hidden, from unhidden. Config flags, take away that, and that way I can easily adjust that then. Actions, emergency inactive. So that's now counting down, as you can see there, the seconds. So you can actually use it on a latch, so you know how many seconds is left if you wanted to. Put that back to auto, and then it's got 0 seconds because it's healthy. So let's go into that logic. In fact, let's start the counter going again so you can see what's happening. Fire that. Logic is simple, so it's a current time. You want to know where to get that from, won't you? Kit control, timer, current time. So that's where you get that one from. A latch, that's a one shot there, that's your latch, and that one is set at half a second, and then we're dividing the seconds to milliseconds. We're putting that figure into there and into there, but let's go through on this. So that this clock was latched when it fired, so from here that was latched, and we latched the current time at that particular point when we fired it, and then we've got in the time difference between the current time and the latch time, and then there we're putting it into seconds because that's milliseconds into seconds, and we're showing those seconds there. That in switch is true from the latch, So that output is actually the in true there. If the output is false, it'd be 0. Sorry, it'd be 120 seconds if the output is the other way, false. That's putting that into there. We're taking the time in seconds, so we're subtracting one from the other, and then we're also dividing by 60 to give you a minute's left. And then we'll wait for this to stop, which we haven't got long now. We've got 12 seconds, but you can easily copy that and it will tell you how long you've got left on that time, which is a nice, easy, simple block. Okay, so we've gone down to 0 there, we've gone down to 0 there, so 120 take away 120 is 0, 0, and the latch is off. Simple enough. So that block, all you need to do there is copy that block, put it into your own folder, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching.